one of the cheapest anamorphic lenses you can find in the market. Do I regret buying it, or will I recommend to anybody? Maybe later in the video. But before that, just check what I've managed to get with this lenses. I'll be very honest with you, I'm nowhere an expert in anamorphic lenses. This is the one and only anamorphic lens I've ever used in my life. I might have used it in 4 or 5 different shoots, and I am simply in love with this anamorphic lens. I knew anamorphic lens is being used to shoot big budget Hollywood movies, short stories and other stuff, but I had no idea we could even use this lens to take a photo until I came across Magic Wedding Photographer. If you want to see how does it do it, just check the link below. But here are some of the results that I got with this SIRUI lenses. So to answer my first question that asks, will I be recommending it or will I be spending it? If you're a beginner and you just want to get your hands on an anamorphic lens, this is definitely one of the best options you can find in the market. It's not cheap, it's still $1,600 for one prime lens. But if I had the money, I would definitely go ahead and invest in 35 and 75, maybe 75 first and then 35 at the end. But yeah, I don't regret buying 50mm. I'm simply loving it, and I will be using more of this lens on my YouTube videos. So ciao for now.